Hey everyone, welcome back to the shed. As you can see, it's all go on the rudders. We use vacuum bagging to infuse the resin, and there is a lot of filling, fairing and grinding going on. Maddie is a master at vacuum bagging. Chris is a demon on the screwdriver, and Richard's, well, grinding. The rudders are prepped and ready for the next stage. We removed the escape hatches of this catamaran and we are getting to paint stage. We had a hilarious debate in the office as to what to call these. Basically it's to stop the waves splashing up. And of course some more sanding. Our boat with structural damage is coming along nicely. John's on the window jobs and an anti-foul is ticked off.